Do you like it?
You know you're in Rotterdam.
By the way, the right side of the street is still from before the war. The left side mostly got bombed on the 14th of May 1940. The right side is from built between 1870 and 1900. If I don't know the answer, Farah knows it, and if Farah doesn't know it, we will come up with anything anyways. Don't worry. Let's go. Come on.
So the tour of Rotterdam begins. Oh no, crossing the road. Cars, bikes, trams. Yeah, that's one thing, isn't it? Crossing the road. Take your life in your hands and not to get hit by a tram, a bike, or a car.
Lights up, it's a red lamp, and we have 400 of these surrounding the city center area, going a line of 12.8 kilometers. There are 400 of these. So what you see here, fire, flames, a German bomber, and Heinkel, if you look closer, a building on fire, a human-shaped figure raising the hands to the sky, desperately. That's what this means. This side got bombed on the 14th of May 1940. That side didn't get bombed on the 14th of May 1940.
This looks like it's something out of Terminator. Bizarre Rotterdam statues. So what do you think he's holding? Meant to be Santa Claus. But imagine that if that came down your chimney, holding that.
The street you're in, this street, who knows the name? A very popular street. Witte de Withstraat. Very good, Sky. Points. Witte de Withstraat. If you translate Witte de Withstraat, it literally means Whitey the White Street. It refers to the name of a Dutch commander, Witte Corneliszoon de Witt, who lived in the 1600s. The last 30-35 years of his life, he was in service of the Dutch Navy. And in 1882, when they founded this neighborhood and this street, they were looking for a name. And they said, you know, 1882, this guy, he's still a hero for us, we name it after him. In Amsterdam, you also have a Witte de Withstraat. In other Dutch cities, you have it as well. Necessary. And it was also giving from the brothel to the casino and the other way around. And those mirrors, they kept it. They thought, yeah, these mirrors, we have to keep them. They brought them downstairs, placed them behind the bar. So the next, if you go in and you look into those mirrors, remember what I told you. They have seen a lot.
So question, where's the red light district now?
We don't have one.
Calm down.
Just since 2000. Let me show you how you make it happen.
Yeah, you try on it.
It's really heavy though, huh? German general, when he received those terms, he thought, you know what, if that might give me the city intact without bombing it, I will write a second ultimatum with pleasure. The first two groups of German bombers reached Rotterdam. And the Germans over there were also afraid of friendly fire. So that's why they started to fire red flares into the sky during broad daylight, hard to see as well, to warn them, don't bomb there, we're here. Those two groups, they saw the warnings, luckily. They went westwards, outside of the city. And outside of the city, they dropped all their bombs in the river, at 1:29, 54 German bombers reached the city from the east side. The scary, famous Heinkolls. They reached the city from the east side, and the last message from the airbase was, as soon as you reach the heart, the city here, where we're just still not in our hands, drop all your bombs. And that's what they did. Oudehaven means Old Harbour. Oude Old Haven Harbour Port. Yes, it's called like this because it's one of the oldest ports of Rotterdam. Around 1342, this was made like this, a port. Until even 150 years ago, perhaps, ships like these used to go to the far east, Dutch Indonesia, which was also colonized by the Dutch. Now these boats, they can stay here. People live in them, and they can stay here on one condition: if they promise, if they repair the boats to what they once used to look like. Before we end, food. Things that you should try when you're in Rotterdam. Kebab salon started in 2005 in the west. Barber shop next to a kebab shop. The barber used to go on a regular basis to the kebab shop. One day he told the owner of the kebab shop, "I'm sick and tired of what you have. I want something new. You take a plate, layer of fries, and you put a layer of kebab, 2 slices of cheese, put it in the oven so the cheese melts on top of it. Take it out, we have to keep it healthy. Place a layer of salad." He started eating and he was, "How do you like it?" He was, "I love it."
So that was Rotterdam. What do you think of it then?
Really nice. It's really big.
It's bigger than I thought, yeah.
Yeah, and
Interesting architecture.
very good architecture and very diverse.